Ray Evernham. Here at the Big Iron Garage, we're known for restoring cars and making them look like brand new. But there's some cars that have retained their natural character and just need to be left alone. So we don't want to use any product on them that could maybe alter their natural patina. That's why, and speaking of something not showing its age and natural patina, I'm bringing my buddy Mike Phillips. Mike, what are you using there?
This is actually a waterless wash, and it's a safe way to wash a car without the traditional hose and bucket. And the best thing about that for cars like this, and actually all the cars here, is you're not introducing water into places that could eventually cause rust. So it's a very safe way to clean a car.
So I can use it on my classic cars that have patina and on my new cars.
Yeah, even your new car. Say if it's cold outside and the hose is frozen, it's a great way to clean your car, you know, in that kind of situation.
Here at the Big Iron Garage, we use Pinnacle Natural Brilliance car care products. It doesn't get any easier than that.